Hi guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss what is Node.js, and why we should use it. So what is the Node.js? Node.js is an open-source, cross-platform, back-end, JavaScript runtime environment that runs on the V8 engine and executes JavaScript code outside a web browser. But what does that mean? Node.js is a platform built on Chrome's JavaScript runtime for easily building fast and scalable network applications. Node.js uses an event-driven, non-blocking I/O model that makes it lightweight and efficient, perfect for data-intensive, real-time applications that run across distributed devices. Let's talk about 4 features of Node.js. First feature, asynchronous and event-driven. Second feature, very fast. Third feature, single-threaded but highly scalable. And fourth feature, no buffering. Asynchronous and event-driven, what does that mean? All APIs of Node.js library are asynchronous, that is, non-blocking. It essentially means, a Node.js-based server never waits for an API to return data. The server moves to the next API after calling it, and a notification mechanism of events of Node.js helps the server to get a response from the previous API call. This image perfectly explains asynchronous and non-blocking behavior of Node.js application. As you can see on image, all requests are working parallelly, on single thread, and event loop handling all these requests. The reason why Node.js is fast, because it has been built on Google Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine. That's why Node.js library is very fast in code execution. Despite the fact that Node.js is single-threaded, it is still highly scalable. Node.js uses a single-threaded model with event looping. Event mechanism helps the server to respond in a non-blocking way, and makes the server highly scalable, as opposed to traditional servers which create limited threads to handle requests. Node.js uses a single-threaded program, and the same program can provide service to a much larger number of requests than traditional servers like Apache HTTP server. We will discuss this topic in more details in another lessons. Node.js applications never buffer any data. These applications simply output the data in chunks, but we should not forget that it depends on developer and code which he or she writes. From the beginning of the video I am talking about advantages of Node.js, now let's talk about some disadvantages. First, and from my point of view, biggest disadvantage is heavy code changes due to unstable API. Node.js API has some consistency issues. Most of the times the new API comes with many backward changes, then the programmers are required to make changes in the code to make it compatible. Second disadvantage, not suited for CPU-intensive tasks. The events loop is the main features of Node.js, and there may be too many callback are running in your code. So Node.js is not also suited for CPU-intensive tasks. If you are doing that, it might slow your application. One of the most popular platforms used for web applications, services, and desktop apps. It's my hope that after watching this video, you now have a solid understanding of Node.js. I am sure that after a couple of lessons you will start to create your own applications. Thank you for watching my first video on YouTube. Don't forget about subscription, like, and some comments. Now I need to make some shopping. Have a good day and bye-bye.